Like, get out of here with all that. Like, we don't need all that. All positive vibes, all positive vibes. Fuck all that extra shit. Fuck all that extra shit. Like, I ain't.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sekaiya and I'm back here on the channel with another video for y'all. You already know what's going on because it's that good Tuesday and I had to do this nice little drop for y'all. Alright, so first things first, I just want everybody to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to this video because we are going ham all 2020. Also, guys, don't forget to give that post notification bell a ring-a-ding-ding. That way you know and are notified every time that we drop a new video here on Sekaiya Afro's channel. But we already know we drop every Tuesday. Every Tuesday. So just keep that in mind, every Tuesday. But yeah, the post notification bell, that's your little reminder. That's so bad. Anyway, also before we get into this video, if you guys haven't already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. There you can find all content. You will always find a reminder about our videos as well here on the YouTube platform. So I'm gonna go ahead, leave that information here. Also at the end of my video, sorry y'all, I'm over here eating these chips, and they're good. I'm gonna show y'all. I don't know if y'all eat Taki kettles, but yo, these are pretty good. Just go ahead and make sure you follow me on those social media platforms. That way you know for sure that you won't miss out. And you'll get to see some fun daily content that you'll find entertaining. So just tap in. Alright, so y'all, we're gonna be doing something a little bit different on the channel today. But I'm not gonna say too different because I did say on this channel we'll be doing a lot of things pertaining to the beauty industry. And this is still up our alley. So we're gonna do it. I don't want you guys to get used to like just seeing the basic everyday, just makeup. No, here we do it all. We create here on Sekaiya Afro. We create, okay? It don't matter what it is. You wanna make it, if you want it, let's do it. So that's what we're doing here today. So me and my new business partner, who y'all will soon meet very soon, we are having a photo shoot on the 24th. It's on a Tuesday, and it's a pop art themed shoot. So we are doing really bold colors with like a really black and white, kind of just plain set type of vibe. So today we will be making the wigs for the photo shoot. So the way we're gonna be making these wigs is I did get some color Kanakalon braiding hair, Kanakalon 100%, and some crochet wig caps with the combs on the side, a crochet needle, and we're gonna get going on this new project. I'm so excited to see how this turns out, and I want you guys to stay tuned as well the following Tuesdays to come because I will be dropping the vlog for that photo shoot that day. So guys, just know we're not just doing one thing here. We're doing some stuff. We're doing some stuff. You know what I'm saying? We're doing some stuff. So we in there. Alright y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so first I'm gonna show you guys everything I got. But also we need to get like a mannequin holder so we can actually do the head because I'm not doing it on my head. So I bought this mannequin holder today from Beauty Master, and it says you're supposed to be able to just easy to fasten, durable plastic. Like I'm supposed to be able to just screw it up, I guess attached to my desk. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then we'll put the mannequin on top and see what happens if it holds. Because if it falls, then I don't know. But anyways, yeah. So it looks like I'm supposed to just slide the table here, like in between it, and then just kind of screw it back the other way. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it's doing. Okay, so she working. Okay, cool. So after that, I'm supposed to take this little pirate ship wheel. That's what it looks like. But it has like a screw thing. So it kind of screws to that on the back. And honestly, I think I'm supposed to put this in first, the little ball, and put the pirate ship like over it. So it's supposed to be easy, so. Yeah, we in there like swimwear. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with a sister suit. All right, so bet that's on there. She ain't moving. She ain't. All right, y'all, so this is where our mannequin's gonna be sitting so I can do the hair so you guys kind of see the process. So, y'all, this is not mine. My older sister, she has this because she be making wigs, but she left it in my car. So we gonna use it. Cause, yeah, we're gonna put it to use. You left it in my car. Okay, so there our mannequin is on top of our little gadget. And then I got these crochet wig caps. I didn't get the one with the braids because I just felt like I didn't really need to. So I'm just gonna take this out and put this on my mini head. All right, so we got our mannequin head ready and prepared to be crocheted. Y'all, I'm so excited. I used to crochet my own hair throughout like my whole high school. And then like when I got out, I was just like, I'm tired of my hair. Let's put a wig on. Anyways, this is our hair. So my vision is to be an afro. All the models are primarily going to have their own primary color wig. And the one pack of different color hair, for each set we have 3 models. I want to kind of like put pops of green throughout the blue because the makeup is, everyone has their own colors. So this one is the blue and green. And we're just gonna see what kind of happens. Like, I'm really excited. So let's kind of get right into it. I'm gonna start out with the blue, and then throughout, as I see where it fit, then I will throw in some green. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is take this blue out. Ooh, she's so blue, y'all. Y'all, she's popping. I'm really hoping this comes out good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, since it's an afro and we don't need all this length, we're going to cut her in half. And shoot, we might even cut her again and have, you know, both sides, like for real, because y'all, she's so long. She's so pretty. Okay, so I grab my scissors, and like I said, I'm just gonna cut in half of how the hair came out of the pack. And then I'm also thinking maybe I can cut again like this, because y'all, I don't need her that long. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so now that we have our blue cut, since we're gonna do pops of color of green throughout, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Y'all, lime green has been like one of my favorite colors for a super duper long minute now. It's been a minute. Like, I've been feeling the lime green. So I'm going to do the same thing I did with the blue with the lime green. And since this one we won't be using as much, I'm going to cut down the middle, and then I'm only going to do one side, cut it, and then I'm going to put the rest in the pot for another creation. Okay, stop that. Alright, so now that we have all of our lovely hair cut and ready to be used, I have my handy dandy crochet needle here. The little hook and the, you know, the bottom part. Y'all know how it go. Yeah, we know how it go with these. You know how it go. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start at the back. I'm guessing this is the back. It looks like it's the back of the cap. The front has this little, kind of like a line to show, I guess, where the front is. So yes, we're gonna go ahead and start at the back with our blue. And I don't know how much I want to take out. I guess I'm gonna take like a little good amount. So I'm gonna take this. I don't know, I feel like that's a little too big, so I'm gonna pull a little bit out. I'm gonna take this little bit amount here and kind of loop it around my finger. Make sure my hook is closed, and I'm going to go through, take my hook and go through about, let's see, I'm gonna go through about 3 spaces. Go through about 3 spaces, hook my hair, pull it through, and when I pull it through, I'm gonna catch that loop, put my needle down, pull her through, okay? Guys, I gotta fix my mannequin head now. See, I done missed her. Okay, so I got her back on, but guys, I ended up taking that piece off because I didn't like how thick it was. So now I know. So I'm gonna go back in, and actually, let me go on the other side where you guys can actually get a better angle of me doing this. First, I need to pick up the knit because I can't get through here at all. And I'm gonna go through 2 spaces. So I'm just taking that like that. And then I just loop her in. And I know we said it's gonna be an afro, but once I get her all in, we're gonna cut her, do what we gotta do, throw her up, curl her up, all that good jazz. So here's the other half of that hair I had before. So I'm going to go back in and do the same thing. I mean, you can go in a couple of spaces, like you can go in 2 or 3 spaces, wherever you want. Just make sure when you pull back that latch is closed so it's not catching your wig cap and like causing all kind of disruption to your cap and, you know, making unnecessary holes that don't need to be there. All right, so that's pretty much how we do that. And then I'm just going to continue to keep going and show you guys the whole way through, okay? All right, so here we are. I still have like, I feel like a whole lot to go. I still have like the whole front, this side, the rest of this side. But here we are. We got some hints of green in there. Alright guys, so this is how far we've gotten so far. This is the front of the mannequin. As you can see, the back is longer, but I'm liking how the color is popping. We gotta do just this little middle piece up there, and then we'll be done. I need to go to the store and get some flexi rods because we're gonna curl her, and then when we curl her, we'll cut and style her into our fro. Yes, y'all, I'm super excited. She's looking so good. So, all right, let's keep going. So now we have our wig fully completed. Just turn it that way so you guys can see her a little bit better. But now I had to get rollers to curl her because obviously she ain't the texture I want her to be. So we got these Red by Kiss rollers, and what we're gonna do is put the rollers throughout the hair, and then we're gonna use the hot boiling water method, dip, and get our curls going. So now we're gonna go ahead and get started and put these rollers in her hair. But I'm gonna cut the ends and stuff first, and then we're gonna get active. You guys can see I put the wig back on the mannequin and did a little bit more cutting and styling. So now, as you see, I've started adding in the rollers. Okay, so now you see I have the wig fully curled with the rollers in place, and every inch of hair is nice and ready to be curled. Guys, so as you see here, our water is boiling, it's hot and ready to go. So I'm starting to realize that the pot is a lot smaller than I was thinking it was going to be for the wig. So I've decided to just keep picking the wig up by the rim of the cap and just put it down on each side of the wig to make sure that every roller, every curl gets hit with the hot water. So now I'm just taking a basic dry towel. This is just a basic dry beach towel, and I'm putting the wig in there, and we're just going to wrap it up, smush it together, squeeze it to just try to get it as dry as possible. Now that my wig is somewhat dry, I have placed it back onto the mannequin head, and now we're going to take our hair dryer, put it on the low cool setting, and we're going to blow dry that for a few seconds just to kind of make sure that the hair really stays curled. Now I am starting to take the rollers out of the wig and pull the hair apart as I am taking out each roller. So you guys see I have this one already out of the roller. It's all nice and curly. I'm super excited, y'all. The curls really did well with staying. So let's kind of keep this going and see what she's looking like. Alright, so now I am all done taking out all of the rollers. At this point, I am just pulling apart clumps of hair that are still kind of together and fluffing her out. Alright, now I'm just doing a little bit more cutting, fluffing, and styling. Here's our finished look, guys. She is so cute. I absolutely love her. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!